Hi guys እንዴት ናችሁ? ደግሞ ተመልሼ መጥቻለሁ። ትንሽ ትራቭልም እያደረኩ ስለነበረ በስራ አሁን ኬንያ ሆኜ ነው ይሄ ቪዲዮ የምሰራላችሁ እና ለዛ ነው የጠፋሁት። 2 weeks ago I think ኢታሊ ነበርኩኝ ሮም። ሶ እንደዚህ ስራ ወደዚህ ስለምል ትንሽ ልጠፋ እችላለሁ፣ ግን በቻልኩት መጠን እመጣለሁ። ግን እሱ ብቻ አይደለም አክቹሊ ሆነስትሊ ባወራ ማለት ነው I don't think ቢዝነስ ለመሆን ምናምን ብቻ ሳይሆን አንዳንዴ ማወራችሁ ነገርም አብሶሉትሊ እንትን ስላልኩኝ የሆነ ነገር አንድ ነገር በቃ እንደዚህ ነው የሚል እንትን የለኝም ብዙ ጊዜ especially as I career wise as I grow I start to be very less absolutely sure about things, kind of like for example sila scholarship laorachu bimeta or sila any topic, you know, it's very subjective now and day or yallachu bet situation matter yadagal kaza I don't want to mislead you ነገር እንደዛ ፊል አደርጋለሁ but anyways if it's relevant I will still share ማምንባቸው ነገሮች and I will try to add context or also make sure to always highlight that whatever I'm saying is just ያሰብኩት የመሰለኝ የሄድኩበት እንጂ that's not actually the only way እንዳልሆነ highlight እያደረኩኝ and then that just makes me feel better also to share without hesitating. Okay. ብዙ ኮመንቶች ነበሩ እንትን ያላልኩት ብዙ ሰዎች ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ you're reaching out በተለይ ኢንተርቪው ካያችሁ በኋላ thank you so much ደስ ይላል በጣም ያልመለስኩት ብዙ ያልመለሱት ካለ it's because yeah like I said travel እያደረኩ ነው ስራ ትንሽ ኢንተንስ ይሆናል ከዛ ደግሞ አንዳንዴ I don't know what to do with the requests ከዛ you know what I mean like if I'm getting this amount of requests ለዛ ነው አሁን በዩቲዩብ መምጣት የፈለኩት ከዛ ደግሞ I try not to promote this enough that's because ከኔ ጋር አታች ማድረግ ስለማልፈልግ ነው ግን ፋውንዴሽን አለኝ already አክቲቭ ነን ሊንክድን ላይ በጣም አክቲቭ ነው ዌብሳይቱም ኤቭሪዴይ ነው አፕዴት የምናደርገው ለኢትዮጵያ ዴዲኬትድ ሳይሆን it's just international ነው ግን already we're working on that so እሱም ሊንክ አታች አደርግላችኋለሁ ዳም ብለው እሱም ላይ ሄዳችሁ ፎሎ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ ሊንክድን ፔጁን ዌብሳይቱም ሬጉላርሊ ቼክ አድርጉት so ይሄ ለምንድን ነው የሚጠቅመው because አሁን ከጥያቄዎቹ አንዱ which exactly how to find it ምናምን የሚለው አሁን ስኮላርሽፕ የምትፈልጉ ሰዎች then እዛ ላይ አሁን we provide legit የሆኑ ኢንፎርሜሽኖች ፕሮቫይድ እናደርጋለን እኛ ራሳችን አሰስ አድርገን ፊልተር አድርገን ስለምናስቀምጠው you can go ahead and use that so I'm trying to do that other than that I think today what I want to talk about is ይሄኛው ፋውንዴሽን ላይ የሚያግዘኝ I was trying to hire a couple of people recently እና ምን አስተዋልኩኝ actually given that I travel here and there I also get the chance to see አይደለ so እዚህ ሀገር እንዴት ነው ከዛ ከኛ ጋር ኮምፔር አደርገዋለሁ እኛ አካባቢ ካለ ሰው ጋር ማለት ነው ከዛ I feel like እኛ ጋር ኦኬ ስልክ አለን አይደለ ከዛ ግን we mostly use it ለሶሻል ሚዲያ ምናምን ራሳችን አፕዴት ማድረግ አለብን እኛ ሪሌቫንት ካልሆንን no one is going to hire us do you know what I mean like አሁን ኢንተርኔት አግኝተን ስልክ አግኝተን ኢንተርኔትም ካለን why are we I'm not saying you don't have to use social media ምናምን እያልኩኝ አይደለም of course you need to regulate yourself you don't have to be there 24/7 ግን at the same time you also have to use ያላችሁን ጊዜ access you have to use it to either to look for opportunities ከዛ ደግሞ opportunity የፈለጋችሁ parallelly you have to update yourself skill additional skills simple skills ሊሆን ይችላል like ከሆነ ይኸልል ነበር በትግርኛ simple skill like for example Canva ላይ I love Canva አሁን ምንም creativity wise I use Canva design ለማድረግ ምናምን እዛ ነው የምጠቀመው so you can actually use that it's very simple ስልካችሁ ላይ መስራት ይችላል if you prefer computer PC then you can use that as well so I'm not saying just learn Canva, but I'm just saying there are a lot of skills that you could learn based on the made የምትፈልጉት አቅጣጫ አለ አይደለ? made የምትፈልጉት career wise. So based on that, you can always learn something. Sometimes ብዙ ጊዜ የምለው you might not even know what you want to do አይደል? I remember እኔ የካንቫ የተማርኩት during the war we had to speak about the war አይደለ? And I learned editing videos by myself, በቃ በእንትን ማለት ነው። I didn't even know that it was going to be useful. Now I actually use it for a lot of things. ለብዙ ነገር even ያልኳችሁ foundation ላይ or different things ላይ እጠቀምበታለሁ. It helps me capture whatever it's I'm thinking in video ሊሆን ይችላል, graphics wise ሊሆን ይችላል. It just helps me capture. I'm not saying I'm very good at this. I'm just saying because I give it a try, I give it a go, it's now helping me. It's contributing to something I want to work on. ስለዛ አንዳንዴ ባናቅም መሆን የምንፈልገው but I don't know what I want to study. I don't give it a go. Pick a skill and give it a go. You have no idea how important that is going to be moving forward. Like I said, always የሆነ ነገር ጊዜ አጥፍታችሁ የሰራችሁት ነገር it pays off. It pays back. It comes back to you. በሆነ ነገር ይጠቅማችኋል። የሆነ ነገር ላይ አስፈላጊ ሆኖ ታገኙታላችሁ. So I would just say update yourself. That's what I want to talk today mostly. እና አሁን ለምሳሌ ኬንያ የምናየውኝ like they're so professionals. I don't know. In many ways. ብዙ እኛ ያልደረስንባቸው ብዬ ማስበው like as እንደ ሶሳይቲ ሳስበው ማለት ነው. I feel like they're like one step ahead. እኛ እኮ maybe the trend is now changing. I don't live there, so I can't 100% say that እንደዚህ ነው ያለው ኢትዮጵያ ልል አልችልም። ግን as far as I know ብዙ ጊዜ እንደዚህ በተለይ ለአፍሪካ ምናምን ያለን እንትን it's not like Europe or you know what I mean. Of course economy wise እንደዛ ሊሆን ይችላል። ግን there are a lot of things we can actually learn from each other. ከዛ ደግሞ ኢምፖርታንት ቲንግ ቱ ኖው አሁን አፍሪካ ሀገራት እንደዚህ ቪዛ ምናምን የማያስፈልጋቸው ሀገራት አሉ። you can actually internship መውሰድ. I don't want to kind of get misunderstood here. I'm not like advocating for you guys to ሀገራችሁ ትታችሁት ነው. That's not what I'm saying. We don't have to think with borders, you know? Like የሆነ ጥሩ opportunity ካለ እዛ go ahead and get it. But when I say that it does not mean risk your life to get something. እንደዛም አይደለም. That's just too, I don't know. I don't want to say bad words, but if you're putting yourself at risk so that you can, it shouldn't be border አልፎ መሄድ, it shouldn't be a dream. That's what I'm actually trying to get at. እንደ ድሪም መሆን የለበትም። የሆነ ነገር አቺቭ ለማድረግ if I have to say take a short course and if I'm not able to get it online, most of the things that we want are online these days, but if we feel like I'd rather go learn it, then go do that, try to do that, like find scholarship ምናምን. So that's why I'm also putting out these kind of videos, so it helps you sharing about scholarship and everything. But at the same time parallelly ራሳችሁን update አድርጉ. Do you know what I mean? Because even these skills are the good skills later on is actually going to be important for you when you apply for a scholarship as well, because that will be something that you're going to add in your CV, and then that will just strengthen your CV. And whenever you apply, when they check everything that you have done before and that you're doing, it will be a plus for you. So you're not actually wasting your time while you're looking for a scholarship. You're also updating yourself because it's important. You're in a certain place and then you just don't improve. በቃ ቁጭ እንዴት እንደዛ ሊሆን ይችላል? ከዛ like the world is literally going እየሄደ ነው አይደለ? ከዛ it's like survival of the fittest, you know? If you're not putting yourself out there, LinkedIn page ከሌላችሁ, or like, you know, if you're not updating yourself, why would they እናንተን ለምን hire ያደርጋሉ? And I'm honestly telling you this. እዚህ መጥቼ ያየሁት it's like, and I told you before, I was like looking for people to hire to support me in the foundation and everything. I was like, I could actually hire people because ተመሳሳይ ነው ፕራይሱ, you know? I think 120 ምናምን ነው $1 እዚህ ኢትዮጵያ maybe I don't know 140 150 I don't know, in that range I guess. I can Google it right now actually. let's see, it's 154.86 $1. በኬንያን shillings ደግሞ $1 is it's 129.28. So there's still a gap የነዚህ ይበልጠናል but which is actually self-telling because it's በጣም እያደገ ያለ ሀገር ነው in terms of so many things, in terms of technology and innovation and everything. A lot of international organizations are actually moving here. And now I'm actually advocating for Kenya, but I'm just in Kenya, so it just happens to be that I learned so many awesome things here. So እና ምን ልል ፈልጌ ነው አንድ እርስ በርሳችን መማማር እንችላለን. Kenya is like 1.5 hours from Ethiopia. Let me Google that to be sure. How far? Okay. Yeah, give me an hour. It takes about 2 hours and 10 minutes to fly to Nairobi. It's like 2 hours. It's like እንደ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ካሉ almost it's like ከአዲስ አበባ ወደ መቀሌ ሁለቴ እንደማለት ነው. It's like 2 hours. ሁለቴ ራሱ ላይ ሞላ ይችላል I think 1 hour, right? So 2 hours. ምን ልል ፈልጌ ነው በጣም ቅርብ ነን. It's like I don't know ለእናንተ maybe you guys have arrived at this conclusion and ለእኔ ኒውስ ሊሆን ይችላል, but I was so fascinated that we are so, it's for the first time in my life that I'm here. Not only that I'm here, ግን ከother African countries ራሱ ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ነው እዚህ ሀገር የመጣሁት. For me, I'm like, በስራ ነው የመጣሁት አሁን. ግን I didn't even, of course, ትንሽ ነበርኩኝ ምናምን ላላስበው እችላለሁ, but at least now you guys have the information. I'm putting this out there. So you guys be aware that, okay, it's actually 2 hours of flight. It's a nearby. And if I have a passport, I don't even need a visa. Do you know what I mean? You can actually come it's not like you come without putting a plan. When I say that, okay, of course you have to put a plan, but then exchange student መሆን ይችላላችሁ. You can actually reach out እዚህ ያሉ ዩኒቨርሲቲዎች. አሁን ኬንያ ስላለው ነው ስለ ኬንያ እያወራኋቸው ያሉት. In 2 weeks I will be ሌላ ቦታ እዛውኛ አወራቸዋለሁ። ስለዛ ሀገር ደግሞ አወራቸዋለሁ። አፍሪካ ሀገር ሆኖ ሌላ 3 ሀገራት ገና ሄዳለሁ. So I'll try to explain about that as well. ግን አሁን ያለሁት ላይ እንትን ስል like I see them በጣም እየሄዱ ነው፣ ኢምፕሩቭ ያደርጋሉ። ኢቨን ፔመንት ሲስተም አሁን now እኛም ጀምረናል ምናምን፣ ግን there are a lot of things that እኛ የሌለን እነሱ ያላቸው, so we can learn from them. Okay, we need to be very open-minded about these things. እሺ it's not so Europe ላይ ብቻ አይደለም ያለው all these amazing things. All these amazing things are coming because of skills and በጣም ለመስራት ያላቸው motivation and the fact that they put themselves out there ምናምን አይደለ? So you can actually have that from your neighbor countries as well. Okay, ይሄ open minded ሲኖረንም ነው like when you scale ስታደርጉት government wise በሀገር wise ራሱ as individuals እኛ ስትሮንግ የሆነ ማይንድሴት እንደዚህ ኦፕን የሆነ ሲኖረን ነው ወደ እንትን የሚያድገው። አሁን ለምሳሌ we can talk about trade አይደለ? ወደ ሀገራቱ ምናምን አሁን እኮ በተለያየ different countries ስታዩ especially in Africa እርስ በርሳቸው ከሚገበያዩት now I'm going back to ወደ ስራዬ እየሄድኩኝ ነው አሁን serious talk ግን ኢትዮጵያ ሀገራት አሁን አፍሪካን ሀገርስ countries አሁን እርስ በርሳቸው ከሚገበያዩት ከሌላ የሚያመጡት ነው የሚረክሰው በትሬድ ዋይዝ ስታዩት ራሱ ማለት ነው። It's crazy. It's mind-boggling kind of crazy. When you look at the data and everything, it's like there are so many things we can leverage within ourselves. And I'm not demotivating that, oh, we also need to be international. We definitely have to be international, but it starts with home, right? It starts with wherever you are. You need to be open-minded, and then you need to start to bring in people. You need to be able to communicate with people. You need to be able to exchange ideas. It doesn't even have to be in person. አንዳንዴ ኦንላይን ኮርሶች አሉ፣ እዚህም ሊኖሩ ይችላሉ። የተለያየ ዩኒቨርሲቲዎች አፍሪካ ሀገር ብቻ ሆነው ማለት ነው። እና እንደዛ ኦፖርቹኒቲዎች አሉ እና ተጠቀሙባቸው። ሁሌ we only imagine ይሄ አሁን የዌስተርን እንትን ብቻ ነው የሚታየን፣ ግን there are a lot of things that we can leverage አጠገባችን ያሉ ነገሮች ለማለት ፈልጌ ነው። So yeah, I think I ranted a lot, but what I wanted to say is you need to update yourself, technology wise or any skill wise. Even የሆነ ስራ ላይ already ካላችሁም you need to take short courses ምናምን like upgrade እንድታደርጉ ማለት ነው። ካልሆነ ይሄ ማደግ የሚባለው እንትን ይላል ማለት ነው። because the world is not going to wait for anyone. It just moves. ሁሉም ነገር ይሄዳል። እኛም አፕዴት ካላደረግን ራሳችን towards that then እንቀራለን ማለት ነው። okay, that's my TikTok for today. ቶሎ ለመምጣት ሞክራለሁ ግን like you see like I've been traveling አሁን ለምሳሌ 2 weeks ago I think I was in Italy in Rome and now I'm in Kenya and in a week I'll be somewhere else. ስለዛ በዛ ነው እንደዚህ ትንሽ ቢዚ ሊሆን ይችላል። ስራም ትንሽ ሊበዛ ይችላል ግን እመጣለሁ እንደዚህ በቻልኩት መጠን። ጥያቄ ምናምን ካላችሁ እዚህ ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልኝ። that's easier. በጣም ብዙ ሶሻል ሚዲያዎች ላይ ምናምን ሪች አውት ታደርጋላችሁ። አንዳንድ ለማየት ሞክራለሁ ግን አንዳንዴ እንትን ካለ ለማየት እችላለሁ ግን አንዳንዴ the ask becomes like I don't know what to do with the question, like if everyone is asking me to consult them, then that becomes either I have to dedicate my work towards that and leave this one, or do you know what I mean? And I'm not there yet. I'm not in a place to say I want to do that. Again, what I can do is, like I said, foundation for the sake of this now good. So it's actively running. Put አደርጋለሁ የሊንክድኢን ፔጃችን አትሊስት ፑት አደርግላችኋለሁ። from there you can find the website as well. አትሊስት ግን ፎሎ ታደርጉታላችሁ ሊንክድኢን ፔጁን። you can እዛ ፎሎ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ ፖስት የምናደርጋቸው እንትኖችም። ብዙ ፕሮሞት ማድረግ ሞክራለሁ እሱ because I don't want to attach it with myself ራሱ እንዲያደርግ ስለምፈልገው ማለት ነው። other than that, please share your comments here. መጠየቅ የምትፈልጉት ነገር ጠይቁኝና then I can create a video for it so that it's easier. አንዳንድ ሰው ከእንትን ከምል በቪዲዮ I can massive amount of people reach አደርጋለሁ ማለት ነው። እሺ, so that's it for today. I'm so happy actually I made it today because Zari, I was like, do you know actually how I decided to make this video? So I had some extra time today, so tomorrow I'm actually traveling and I have to pack and everything, but I finished everything. I had some things to do and I finished that and I took shower and everything and I was like, I can actually create I actually checked my Facebook and there was this guy who said I'm suggesting your YouTube videos to people that I have to check his name, I think. Well, maybe I can put his name. Wait, I can just find his YouTube. I think he followed me. He said, I think Legom Scholars, it says. And he said that he's recommending people videos and I was like, oh, I actually can make one. And so here it is. So yeah, I hope this was helpful in a way. ግን እንደዚህ ዲቴይል መግባት የምትፈልጉት ቶፒክ እንትን ካለ I'm happy to do that. Let me see if there are some comments that I need to address. Yeah, this guy wrote to me asking for my guidance and mentorship. Actually, so like I said, is አሁን put ማድረግላችሁ link, we provide mentorship as well, so you can register there. A lot of people said a lot of good things. Thank you so much, guys. But yeah, and oh my god, one thing I have to tell you is that I don't know if we're going to achieve. January is just like a couple of weeks, a month left, for like months and couple of weeks, literally months and couple of weeks left for January. But the plan is that if possible, I want to reach 1K on my YouTube video before the next year, before 2026. Let's make it happen if possible. I'm not going to be obsessed on this, but let's give it a shot. If we make it to 1K before the new year, I will be so happy, and I'll make more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.